In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Replit AI project. Whether you want a local backup, plan to run your code offline, or need to share a clean copy with a teammate, this quick process will package your project into a single zip file you can save anywhere. Start by opening your browser, signing in, and heading to your Replit homepage. This is the dashboard where all your projects live. If you work across multiple workspaces or accounts, make sure you're in the right place so you download the correct project. A quick tip: the search bar on the dashboard can help you find projects faster if you have a long list. Next, click the project you want to download. This takes you into the editor view. Pause for a second to confirm everything you need is present and saved. Replit autosaves, but it's good practice to make sure recent changes are reflected and any key files are visible in the file tree. What you see in the file tree is generally what will be included in the zip. Keep in mind that very large folders like environment or dependency directories can make the download bigger and slower. That's normal, but it may take a moment to prepare. If your project uses a package file like requirements, text or packaged JSON, those will be included so you can reinstall dependencies later on your own machine. Once you're in the project, look to the upper right area of the editor for the three-dot menu. It may appear as a More icon. If your window is small or a panel is open, you might need to maximize the editor or close a sidebar to see it clearly. Click that menu to open a list of options related to your project. From that menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will bundle your project files and start the download. Keep the tab open while it prepares the archive. Larger projects may take a bit longer. When the download begins, your browser will either save it to your default downloads folder or ask where you want to put it. The zip will typically have your project's name, making it easy to recognize. After it finishes, you'll have a complete snapshot of your code, assets, and configuration files. Note that secrets stored in Replit's built-in secrets manager aren't downloaded automatically. If your app relies on environment variables, plan to set them up locally after the download and avoid sharing sensitive keys. That's all there is to it. You went to your Replit homepage, opened the project, used the three-dot menu, and grabbed Download as Zip. Thanks for following along and happy building.